What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing... What are we doing?
Boxycharm, where I guess the prices. I get really close.
Except this time we have a special box because it is June's box, which I know it is July, but we're still going to do this because it is their Boxyluxe box. Oh.
Means it's more expensive.
Yeah, but you get more stuff. All full size.
Thank gosh.
Yeah. It's like $50 total.
It's like $50.
Yeah, $50. We're just going to round it about. $50 total. And you get a ton of products. I don't even know how many.
I don't even know. We're about to find out, though.
Yeah, we are. So, are you ready?
I am.
All right.
No peeking.
No peeking. So, this month's box is Getaway is the theme. And so, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. 9 products. 9. All right. And so, if you are like me, I have the box number 6B. So, if you got that on your card, you probably have the same box I got.
Twinsies.
Oh, and Boxyluxe does not come every month. It is every 3 months.
Why are you asking me? Yeah? 3? I don't know.
3 months. Yeah, 3 months. So, that's when it happens, people. Be prepared. Are you ready?
I'm ready, yeah.
Alright, first item is the Living Proof Full Day Dry Volume Blast. Instant lasting volume and texture. So this is it right here. Put it all in your hair. You can test it out if you want.
On what hair would you like me to test this on? Beard hair?
I don't know.
Instant lasting volume and texture volume et texture durables.
Yes. What is your thought on Living Proof?
$18.
$29.
Not even any color on it. It's just gray.
That's like their iconic packaging.
Ah.
Yeah. Alright. You're like $10 off.
11.
So, next one. Oh, we have the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. So this is the box. And then I'll go ahead and pull it out so you can hold it. But this is what it looks like. Right here.
Alrighty. Pharmacy honey.
I'll give you a hint. I love Pharmacy's green clean or green machine. It's like the best ever. Take all your makeup off and clean your face.
So this is a night serum. You just put this on at night?
Yes.
$24. What?
58.
Why is it $58?
Because it's pharmacy.
Means nothing to me. It's 1 fluid ounce.
Yeah. It's paraben free, formaldehyde free,
$50-something.
synthetic fragrance free, phthalate free, mineral free, and cruelty free.
It's dumb. It's ridiculous.
It's not dumb. Pharmacy is
ridiculous.
amazing stuff.
Ridiculous.
It has amazing stuff. Their stuff
So
works
ridiculous.
wonders. I love it.
So stupid.
Okay. Here. Alright, here we go. I'm going to pull the cap off of this one because there is a little trick with it.
Chickster. The chick product.
So this is the Trestique Good Vibes Mascara. But there's a trick. So not
Looks
only
like
does
pepper
it...
spray.
No.
It does. It looks like pepper spray.
Well,
Watch. Just watch. Why'd you get scared? You know it's not pepper spray.
I know.
But it could be because it looks like
it. Could have got me.
There it is. So stupid here. Take it back.
Alright, so the trick with this is it's also an eyelash curler. So for your lashes. So you've got a mascara. If you open it up. And
Sound effects are my thing. And then you can spray your assailants.
No! And then you curl your lashes. So.
Cease and desist, sir. You shall feel my wrath. I shan't be accosted by you.
And then you can do your
Because that's what
eyelashes.
they did in 17th century England. They
pepper sprayed people?
with Trestique. What is this? It's mascara,
yeah,
right?
it's mascara. So yeah, you can open it up. So we got hooked on the eyelash curler, but it is just a mascara.
Why'd you show them?
So
They know what it looks like.
Yeah, but they
looks
have
like
different
every other
ones.
mascara brush.
Watch
and
this.
It's all black.
Watch this.
Oh yeah, let me see the difference. Let me see it. No difference.
There is a complete difference. Tell me that mascara wand that you guys just saw is completely...
You Jais? Hey Jais. Tell them.
Completely different from this one.
It's different, Jais. Can we stay on track, please? Okay. It's vegan, so that's important. I'm glad they weren't putting beef in my mascara. That would just be awful.
Yeah, it would be.
I don't know. I have no idea. $20.
25.
Whatever. It's
25.
dumb.
Why is that dumb?
Why are you paying $25 for mascara?
Well, it's a $25 mascara and eyelash curler.
It's dumb. Stick with the better than sex mascara. Hashtag shout out.
Hashtag I also want to try their new mascara. Damn, girl.
Damn. Ooh, and then they got that one coming out. Oh, around Christmas. It's called Damn Jazz.
I'm gonna pee myself. Okay. All right. Okay. All right.
Alright, okay.
All right.
We can't do that. It's like a copyright thing, I think.
No, we can't, because people aren't know for sure what it's from. If you know what that's from,
No, don't.
leave it in the comments. So the next item is from Touch and Soul. It's the No Problem Prime Essence. And this is the box. I have the No Problem Primer.
I remember saying that.
Yeah.
Because remember in the video
But
I
this
said
is
it's a play on
the
words. I get it.
essence.
I
Yeah.
see it. Thank you.
Oh, okay.
No problem. It's a play on words. I get it. Oh, that's a cool little dainty applicator.
I thought you were going to squirt me in the eye.
Like I do with the OC spray?
Yeah.
It's like, no, it's good. What?
ASMR.
ASMR.
Yeah.
What's that?
That's where you speak quietly and make sound. Crunchy sounds. I've been watching those videos on Instagram. Alright. Touch and Soul, No Problem Prime Essence.
$16.
$23.
This box sucks.
What?
Bad box.
It's not a bad box.
Bad because I'm not guessing them.
Alright, so this one is by PYT. And it's the Mini Turbo On The Go hairdryer. So, and these came in different colors, but with the hairdryer,
The salmon.
So, I'll put that in there. This is the hairdryer. So cute.
Not to be confused with salmon.
Salmon. And then you also get the little diffusers as well. And it comes in this little nifty bag. So,
Okay.
how much do you think for the hairdryer and the two?
$38. I'm doing bad. Do I not get gushers at the end of this video?
No
Since I'm doing
gushers.
so bad.
No gushers.
How much?
You ready?
Yeah.
$85. PYT's expensive.
PYT's. Here you go.
You're not gonna say anything else.
No. Because I'm not allowed to cuss in your videos. So just gotta be quiet. $85 for a little hair dryer. Is it the salmon color? That's an extra.
No.
That's like a special edition.
No,
$60
they come in different
extra.
colors.
Yeah. Well, you definitely got the salmon color because they weren't selling them in the stores. So I had to give them out in these boxes.
That's not true.
It might be true. You have no idea.
I
Why are
do
you sticking
know
up for
why.
Boxycharm? You don't know their life?
But other people got other colors.
Boxycharm likes them better than they like you.
Oh.
It's just the truth. It's cold hard truth.
Well, moving on. The next one.
Hashtag tension. If you use hashtag in any other way other than sarcastically, I hate you. You like legitimately hashtagging stuff. Hashtags are got to be used sarcastically, and that's it.
I hashtag stuff on my Instagram.
And what's that? What I just said? I hate you.
The next item we have is from Skin & Co. and it's the Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist.
Might as well stop waiting for that truck to go.
Alright, Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist.
Okay. $24. I can see your reaction in the mirror and it's not good.
$35.
I'm just off. My game is off. My head's other places.
Box game, man. Second time.
Second time what?
You've been off game.
Oh,
We have a whole nother video titled Off His Game? Question mark.
I didn't even realize. I'll have to look for it.
Now you know.
And I'll hit that thumbs up. Know what you said?
Yeah. The next item is from Dr. Brandt, and it is the Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with chlorophyll. Saw
What?
your face!
Well, yeah, it took me a second for it to click because you almost said chloroform. And I was just like, what? That's crazy.
Secret ingredient.
2019, y'all. Shit is wild.
You gonna sniff it?
No, because it's closed. Clarice.
Oh.
Yeah, hashtag chloroform.
Hashtag creepy. Do you need help?
Stop! Why you put me on the spot like that? Give me a second.
Does it smell chloroformy?
Alright, so what is this? pH balanced yogurt cleanser with chlorophyll.
Yes, like plants.
What do you do with this?
You clean your face.
So is it a face wash?
Yes.
So why does it not say face wash anywhere on this? Apply on damp skin and gently massage to rid skin of excess oil, makeup, pollution.
Yeah, pollution.
And everyday
pollution affects
grime?
your face.
Like smog?
Yeah.
I had no idea.
Also, the blue lights also affect your face. So be
What
careful
blue
with your
lights?
computers and phones.
Don't listen to her. She blogs. It's the same thing. It's like, don't get your kids vaccinated.
No, it's not.
Wear cloth diapers.
Hashtag definitely get your kids vaccinated.
Show. I don't know. I
Take a guess. Stab in the dark. Dr. Brandt.
$8.
What, that was sarcastic.
It looks no, it's not. It
Yes,
looks like
it
something
was.
I'd get at Walmart.
$35.
So dumb, bro. I'm over this box. I'm over it.
We got 2 items left. 2.
Okay, this I'm
All
familiar
right.
with this.
The next one we have is the Tartist Pro Glow Cheek Palette 3. So this is it right here.
Oh, nothing against Walmart, by the way. They're really upping their game lately.
Yeah, they really are. I'm like totally into Walmart.
I'm a fan. I'm not a fan of the people that go there normally, like, because I don't like being around people, but
I'm like trying to hold it. So this is it right here. It has all the blushes, highlighters, bronzers, to do your whole entire face. So.
You could have handed it to me close.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'll get it.
It's magnetic.
Did you do that?
Yeah, I just did that.
It's your fingerprint.
Yeah.
I'm gonna leave that at a crime scene.
Oh no. Don't.
$42.
45. Good job. Good job.
It was between that 45 and 48. I went 42.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
All right, last one. Last item in the box is
Bach.
It's
Jize.
from Dominique Cosmetics, and it is the Lemonade Lip Gloss. And we got the shade Strawberry Lemonade. And so I will give you background. Dominique Cosmetics is made by Christian Dominique. She's a YouTuber. She has her own cosmetics line.
I'll give you some background on me. I love the taste of strawberry lemonade. Absolutely love it. Probably one of the daintiest, non-manly, masculine drinks you can order. I'll order it straight-faced with my chest out. I don't care. It's delicious. It's delicious.
She has a whole...
Oh, smells like icing. Can I eat it? Is it vegan? Alright, okay, so what is this? Lip gloss?
Yes, lip gloss.
I
will also tell you
$17.
she's in Sephora.
Okay, so yeah, I feel good.
And you were right, $17. Ding, ding, ding!
I feel good about that.
Yay! You won.
What I win? Gushers?
Okay, you can have Gushers.
No, I can't because we don't have any more. I ate the last pack tonight.
Well, I'm going to go eat. If you guys don't know, Nestle came out with cookie dough.
Oh, yeah, I did.
And it is freaking delicious. So
awesome.
You need to go eat you some.
Go eat you some. We go eat you some.
Alright, well, Chris did alright with this box. He did better at the end. So, not too bad. What do you think so far? Of all the products we got.
Absolutely terrible.
What?
I mean, I like your Tarte palette. And your strawberry lemonade lip gloss. Your mace thing was pretty cool. Honeymoon glow, I'm looking forward to using that.
He does use some of my products, face products.
That's about it. Everything else is just...
You don't want to use the chloroform?
No, the yogurt?
Yeah.
To wash my pollution off my face?
Yeah.
No, thank you.
Okay.
Pollution free.
Pollution free. Since 93.
What was that, New Girl? Vomit 3 since 93, Jess. You know what he said?
Vomit free since 93.
You know what he said? That's what it's from, right?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. If you don't watch New Girl, I don't know what to tell you. Watch it, I guess, would be what I tell you. It's hilarious.
Hashtag we love New Girl.
The hashtags drive me nuts.
Well, guys, our battery's about to die, so we gotta make this quick. But that completes this video. Be sure and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye, y'all.
Goodbye. You didn't give me a chance to tell them.
All right, tell
I had
them
anything.
something. Yeah, tell them something.
You're so worried about the battery dying.
Okay, do it now before it dies. Yeah, tell them.
I'm on the spot. Let's see. It's getting warmer out there. Stay hydrated.